Hello, welcome to another video walkthrough presented by our industry-acclaimed AAG division from OrangeTee and Thai. Here I am at 139 Cavenagh Road, Townhouse Apartments. This address is as prestigious as you can get. Fancy becoming one of the neighbours of our Singapore's presidents? Here's a chance you should grab. With 48 apartment units in a 12-storey block, nestled in a quiet and serene enclave of District 9, this development was and still is home to some of Singapore's most prominent political dignitaries and local luminaries. Today I'm going to show you this brilliant and handsome 4-bedroom multi-level penthouse. What you see later, and even what you do not see, is made up of ridiculously high standards. So let's take a step inside, throw off your designer shoes, because this place is immaculate. Wow, look at this delectable entryway. Feels like you've walked into a magazine, doesn't it? While descending the steps like a pop star, you'll be greeted by this inviting and spacious living room. And check out the balcony. You can even dine al fresco. With over $350,000 spent on customization, this 3,175 square feet masterpiece has gone through more upgrades than Michael Jackson. Next to the living room is the completely overhauled master suite. Carefully designed walk-in wardrobe made by a luxury brand. Ensuite bath is equipped with premium accessories and vanity. Glass divider with an almost end-to-end window gives an amazing view. Take a long bath after a day of work and soak in the enchanting view of the city skyline. This house is designed to entertain, while your guests with hearty dinners and wind down in this cozy entertainment room with fine wine and good spirits. The best thing about this is not mine. You can have it. So splash out, treat yourself to 139 Cavenagh Road, Penthouse Unit, a rare gem at Townhouse Apartments. For a dedicated home tour, please call Gerald from AAG Division at 9339-5198.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.